Rishi Sunak, former Chancellor of the Exchequer of the United Kingdom, on Monday won the ruling Conservative Party's leadership contest. He will replace Liz Truss as the country's new Prime Minister.
There is no doubt we face a profound economic challenge. We now need stability and unity, and I will make it my utmost priority to bring our party and our country together.
Sunak was the only contender who secured the required backing of 100 lawmakers by the deadline of 2 p.m. local time, thus becoming the winner automatically. Another contender, Penny Mordaunt, leader of the House of Commons, failed to garner enough votes. Former Prime Minister Boris Johnson withdrew from the contest on Sunday night, despite claiming that he had secured the backing of 102 Tory lawmakers.
Rishi Sunak has been selected as the next Prime Minister by the Conservative members of Parliament because they made it clear that they didn't want a renewal of the chaos that surrounded Liz Truss. The principal challenge that Rishi Sunak will have, in addition to managing the public finances more effectively than Boris Johnson or Liz Truss tried to do, will be to restore the credibility of the office of Prime Minister, which has been tarnished by the two previous incumbents.
The leadership race was triggered when Truss announced her resignation on Thursday after a little over 6 weeks in office. Her economic blueprint, the mini-budget, was blamed for causing economic chaos and tanking the Conservative Party's poll rating. Sunak, 42, is the first person of Indian origin to become UK Prime Minister. He inherits an economy that is on the brink of recession as a combination of energy crisis, cost of living crisis, and runaway inflation defies any easy fix. Sunak is expected to take office on Tuesday after being formally appointed by the King.
The Conservatives are in what we call last chance saloon. If they don't make Rishi Sunak premiership work, they're going to be slitting their own throats. The big challenge for Rishi Sunak is that he has to manage a series of complicated problems against a very inauspicious fiscal background. He can't spend his way out of trouble the way he did when he was the Chancellor and was able to put forward what's called the furlough programme to cushion the effects of the pandemic. There is pressure on the public finances because of the previous rounds of public expenditure. He'll be walking various tightropes simultaneously.
I think it's a good thing. I think he has got the support of the Conservative Party. He's had experience of being Chancellor, so I think it's a good appointment, and I'm hoping he will settle down and solve all the problems that need solving.
He's our first Indian to use other people's words. He faces eye-watering difficulties. He's done the job already to put the finances right, and that's what we hope he's going to do.